सिचुएशन होता है। अब मेरा मैनेजर मेरे दिमाग की तरह है, कभी भी ले ऑफ कर सकते हैं, भरोसा नहीं है कॉर्पोरेट का। तुम एक एसेट हो, लाइक एक्सेल शीट पे एक नंबर हो भाई, वो हट जाओगे तुम।
मेरे को डर लग रहा है।
मैं आज खुद झूठ बोल के छुट्टी पे आया हूँ।
But why do you think that there is a need of saying a lie? Why not just tell the truth?
Because truth won't give you the leaves. That's the reality.
सबको बोलना चाहिए, कॉर्पोरेट में झूठ बोलो। तुम्हारे पास स्किल्स नहीं है, तुम रिज्यूमे में झूठ बोलो।
There have been days where we have been super sick, but we still have to work.
And then you
झूठ ही
take a
बोलना
sick leave
पड़ेगा।
and go to Maldives to take a vacation.
Yeah.
In the world of lies, the truth has suddenly disappeared.
मैं बस घर पे बैठ के एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ on someone else's money, my partner's money.
Still, I'm broke as shit, man. And if they keep saying no, I gotta keep lying. If they like agree with me, then that's it.
Lie if it benefits you.
तो फिर
Go for it.
जॉब क्विट करना।
We've all thought about love, career, and quitting jobs, but no one really says what they are thinking out loud. So we decided to ask: is love really enough, or does money decide most relationships?
Love is good for your heart, but money is good for your mind.
I guess love is enough if you are with the right person. Money आता जाता रहेगा.
Like for instance, like my dog loves me, and that's regardless of how much money I have, right?
You can't be happy if you don't have money. I mean, yes, you can be, but to sustain yourself, you need that money.
I feel like love is enough. Love is enough, but to have fun, you need money too.
I think love is enough for a relationship, and money is not connected to love or relationships. It's something personal, it's something you do for yourself, it's something you do for your responsibilities, and I don't think you should merge the two.
When I say love is not demanding, money is. When I say I demand something, I am demanding something through the other person out there. Whether it's my significant other or my lover, I think it's just that love can sustain it, but money can take it through the point where we can actually see it.
To an extent, if you want to do all the things that you want to do in life, money is there, but love honestly takes the high road.
Hypothetically, love is enough, but in the present senses, money decides most of the things.
I guess in the beginning, love does matter, but in the long run, money does rule.
I think love matters, but money also matters. But I don't think it's necessary that you need to have money before. But I think you need to work together as a couple to make money for the family. So I think it's important that both people work and manage responsibilities together.
Would you be okay being the only earner if your partner chooses to stay at home?
Absolutely. I think I would love to earn, and like, I think I've grown up with a single mom and she's taken care of the house all the time. So I think that's my motto, and that's why I work. I don't think I can rely on another person generally. So yeah, if they decide to just take a step back, chill at home, why not?
It's like what you bring on the table. So if I go out and earn, I want Kate, if she's not earning, she take care of my parents or my house, which is the another part of work is 50% and life is 50%. So yeah.
I don't care. जो भी कमा रहा है, जब तक पैसे घर आ रहे हैं and we are able to exist properly.
There was a point in my life where my partner was taking care of the house and I was earning for quite a few years. But then things changed and both of us were earning side by side here in the same city in Bombay. But now I'm sitting at home and he is the sole breadwinner in the house.
If you see the current financial scenario, it would be helpful if the partner earns. If in case she doesn't, and if you're married, then I guess the person should take responsibility. But then it should not be gender specific.
I just think it's okay, man. Like to each their own, right? It's not necessarily that you have to, kind of have a job to be with me or anything, or you might be, just figuring stuff out in the meantime or whatever it is.
That's different things. Our life is ups and downs. There are times where you're not going to have a job. I may be really qualified but not have a job. So is my partner going to be like, no, that's not acceptable to me? I don't think that that's a fair thing. I think
Comparison, yeah.
partnerships are all about accepting each other through all phases and spaces. Otherwise, don't be in a relationship. Be independent and do your own thing.
I mean, अगर roles reverse हो रहे हैं, I'm sitting at home. So I mean, I
The
have to
society
provide
won't accept
something. नहीं, वो अलग बात है. Society मांचता है.
हाँ.
मुझे कुछ provide करना ही होगा, right?
हाँ.
If I'm providing something, like I'm doing some house chores या फिर मैं घर के काम कर रहा हूँ. If I'm providing enough, तो ठीक है. मैं बस घर पे बैठ के enjoy कर रहा हूँ on someone else's money, my partner's money. Nah.
It's about efforts. If I like working, so I don't mind, but I want efforts from the other side as well.
Changing the tone a little, why do you guys think people in their jobs have to lie to their managers, their bosses to ask for a leave?
मैं आज खुद झूठ बोल के छुट्टी पे आया हूँ.
No idea. I don't come from any of the hierarchical spaces.
Yeah, we don't come from spaces where we need to ask someone for a leave. I think we just take it.
But then that's a good thing. So congratulations. Okay.
I brag about this कि क्या तुम लोग जॉब छुट्टी करते हो, मैं तो कभी भी जा सकता हूँ.
Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. बढ़िया भाई.
That's how they get the leaves. I think there is no other way.
But why do you think that there is a need of saying a lie? Why not just tell the truth?
Because truth won't give you the leaves. That's the reality.
Maybe just the office culture. I mean, even I have done that. So
हमारे इंडस्ट्री में छुट्टी नाम की कोई चीज नहीं होती है, तो छुट्टी अगर लेने तो झूठ बोल के ही लेनी पड़ती है, नहीं तो मिलती नहीं है. There have been days where we have been super sick, but we still have to work. I mean, सच बोलने के बाद भी जब छुट्टी नहीं मिले,
And then you take a sick leave and go to Maldives to take a vacation.
I think in the world of lies, the truth has suddenly disappeared.
I think it's because the
Toxic work culture.
Sorry?
it's the work culture. That's exactly what I was going to say. It's the work culture. You know, if you can value yourself enough to just tell the truth to your manager or your boss, I think they'll be okay. Like, you know, if you just be honest with them.
Now I think things have changed so much that there's this expectation that you're always available and everything can be done so easily in terms of your life management that you have all the time for work. So
I think the fear is that if you are not available, someone else is always available. So that fear of like, what
Will
if
I have
someone
my
else?
job?
Yeah, do I have my job?
Yeah.
I think
If I go up to them and say that, like, give me a leave, and they say no, I gotta make up some reasons. And if they keep saying no, I gotta keep lying. If they like agree with me, then that's it.
उनका ये है कि पहले से ही चीज़ें चलते आ रही है, बस बाहर जाना है, एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, पुरानी जनरेशन ने किया होगा, अब चेंज होते जा रहा है धीरे धीरे. सबको बोलना चाहिए, कॉर्पोरेट में झूठ बोलो, तुम्हारे पास स्किल्स नहीं है, तुम रेज्यूमे में झूठ बोलो, तुम इंटरव्यू में झूठ बोलो, जो हो रहा है करो, इंटरव्यू नहीं आता दे दो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, क्रैक हो गया तो जॉब मिल जाएगी, मुझे मिल गई.
जितना तुम सच बोल के आगे नहीं जा पाओगे, you have to lie about certain situations, good or bad. Ethics और morals का इसमें आता ही नहीं. Like, lie if it benefits you. That's all I have to say.
You gotta be a worker. Like, you don't have to be a slave out there.
I work in an international company. So मैं मेरी बॉस को सच बोल कर आई हूँ कि आज मेरे दोस्त का बर्थडे है, मुझे जाना है. So she's like, sure, enjoy.
whose birthday is it?
It's his
Your
birthday.
birthday. Happy birthday, brother. Yeah, please continue.
So I feel like कंपनी टू कंपनी मैटर करता है, कंट्री टू कंट्री भी मैटर करता है. सो आई फील लाइक इंडिया का स्पेशली इज काइंड ऑफ टॉक्सिक. कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर इज वेरी हार्ड. सो झूठ बोलना पड़ता है. अगर तुम्हारी खुशी के तुमको झूठ बोलना है तो गो फॉर इट.
And last question. Is quitting your job brave or a luxury only some people can afford? मेरे को डर लग रहा है.
ठीक है,
Go for it.
जॉब क्विट करना करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ब्रेव सिचुएशन होता है. अब मेरा मैनेजर मैं घर आके सोचूंगा अब मुझे जॉब छोड़नी है, मैं 4 जगह अप्लाई करूंगा और उसके बाद ही सोऊंगा. बट एट द सेम टाइम एक लग्जरी ये भी है कि विदाउट अ बैकअप अगर कोई कर पा रहा है एंड वो लाइफ चल रही है उसकी सिमिलर वे में, तो हाँ, इट्स अ लग्जरी. ट्राई न्यू थिंग्स आउट. नहीं चला तो एटलीस्ट यू कैन गो बैक, साथ में अप्लाई करते रहो. एंड अप्लाई करो सिर्फ क्विट करने के बाद नहीं. तुम किसी जॉब में हो, स्टेबल जॉब है, अप्लाई करते रहो.
Okay.
कभी भी ले ऑफ कर सकते हैं, भरोसा नहीं है कॉर्पोरेट का. तुम एक एसेट हो, एक एक्सेल शीट पे एक नंबर हो भाई, वो हट जाओगे तुम.
If you need luxury, you have to be okay by taking risk.
If you categorize it as lower middle class,
Hanji.
they will never ever think it's just the upper and high net
You
individuals
basically have a backup.
had too much backup with them, so they would always think, they will never think of working, they will always think आज यहाँ चलते हैं, आज वहाँ चलते हैं. And that's probably the envy factor in us when we see their Instagram that wow, they are traveling there and we are slogging Monday to Saturday.
I think it's a luxury only some people can afford. I'll give you an example. I'm a doctor, so I can't leave it because I have nothing else to do. I don't know anything else. And my younger brother is an Indian Army officer. He can't leave it. He has nothing else to do. So these are the two things.
It's a mix of both because not everyone can afford to quit their job, right? And have like nothing to depend on, like, because we need to live, right? Like, how do we pay for rent? How do we pay for food? How do we pay for like a night out with our friends? And how do we keep up with everything else?
If you have the luxury, if you have a backup, if you come from a privileged background, तुम्हारे पास option है, you can quit. But if you don't, you have to work. You have to put your personal feelings aside.
But it's more like like you doing some slavery. Like for an example, I quit my job, but it was not in luxury. Even though I know that I can get a new job, still I'm broke as shit, man. I mean, I dragged my ass off for that job. They scammed me, but that doesn't mean that I should like lower my standards for them.
There are parts of the world where you get paid even when you're unemployed by the government.
Oh, okay.
You get unemployment checks and stuff, right? That you
Right.
can go and claim
Okay.
because you're unemployed at this particular period.
Uh-huh.
I mean, we don't have anything.
Where
like
is this
that.
happening?
Germany does it.
Germany?
Yeah.
All right,
I
okay.
have friends and they get paid like from the government for being unemployed.
All right, I'm gonna ask you the address for this after the video. All right, okay. Thank you so much, guys. Lovely talking to you. Well, maybe freedom isn't about quitting. It's about having a choice.